everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So if you are new here to my channel, you are welcome. So today's video, I'm going in Nyungwe National Park, me and my friend, and yeah, so I'm here waiting for them. They will come to pick me on the way to Nyungwe National Park. Yeah, so and I was really missed this place. It's been a long time I don't go there, but anyway, yeah, I'm here at the lodge. Yeah, I'm waiting for them to come and pick me, and I hope you are going to enjoy this video. And we are going to use about 5 hours from Kigali to Nyungwe National Park, and yeah, we will return back in the evening. So if you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and hit notification in case I upload new video, you get notified. So let's enjoy this journey. Please wish me a safe journey. Yeah, it's still dark. It's around 5:25 a.m. So wish me safe journey, guys. Thanks. Nyungwe National Park is located in southwestern Rwanda, which is about 225 kilometers, and driving from Kigali to Nyungwe National Park can take you between 4 hours and 5 hours. It can depend on your stopovers. And by driving, you pass through many different regions. From Kigali to Muhanga, to Nyanza, to Huye, and to Nyamagabe district, which touch on the Nyungwe National Park. Now we are continuing the journey. We had a short stopover for washrooms and buy some snacks. Yeah, so the journey now is continuing. So finally, guys, now we have entered in Nyungwe National Park, the road. Now we are going to use about 1 hour and a half driving up to reception, and yeah, so now it's time to enjoy this beautiful nature. Oh my god, so amazing, so clean, and then here the nature sound, only the nature sound you are going to hear. Wow, so beautiful. I cannot get tired to drive into this lord. So amazing. So let's enjoy together this beautiful scenery, and keep watching until the end. I have a lot to share with you today. Hi. we have reached the other park, and here they have to spray our shoes.
Yes, another.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, so. And here I have to wash our hands. Yeah. You have to be here, guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So if you are new to my channel, you are welcome, and if you are not yet subscribed, please hit subscribe. You know our goal is to hit 1,000. Currently here at Nyungwe National Park, which is the oldest forest in Africa. And yeah, so I came here with one of my friends. She have gone for canopy walk, and yeah, me here relaxing, enjoying the nature. So yeah guys, so this is my outfit for today. The skirt and the boots. So you see I'm wearing the natural clothes. I'm for nature. So I'm here enjoying. So they have lent me a binocular and birds. You know, here in Nyungwe National Park there is a lot of birds, and yeah, so let me continue enjoying. So let's enjoy. When you reach the national park, you first go to Uwinha, which is the reception area of this park, and they check your permit, and if you are not yet buying it, they can buy it for you, and they check your COVID result, and after that you come here. This is the briefing area where they tell you rules and the regulation of the park, and they tell you a story of this park and so on. So I can say this is the starting point of your activity. Nyungwe National Park is a tropical rainforest and is located in southwestern Rwanda, and it covers an area of 970 kilometers square. And this Nyungwe National Park, we share it with two countries. To the south part of the park is Burundi, and to the western part of the park is DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. In this park, there are about 1,000 different species. Which are more than 300 different bird species, many butterflies, many different plants, 75 mammal species, including certain primates, and there are also some golden monkeys. In Nyungwe National Park, there are a lot of activities you can do there, such as nature walk, hiking, bird watching, canopy walk, golden monkey, and the waterfall. There are so many activities you can do there. Let's enjoy our nature. Hey, 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 hey. So this is the camping site we are going to visit. I'm going to look at it. Yeah. So this is how it looks like.
Okay, we almost there.
Wow. So yeah guys, this is the camping site here in Nyungwe National Park. They have also the camping site. Yeah, so this is how the camping site it looks like. Wow, it's you guys, can you see? This is the camping site, and you can see the view in front of your camping site. Wow, it really looks so amazing. Wow, I really liked it. Wow. And there are chair here, and of course here there is a small. So yeah guys, this is the campfire area where you sit here in the evening, because this place is too cold. You can't survive this cold from here. Wow, it's really looking so nice. And down there, those are the bathrooms and the toilet. And here, this is another. Wow, which is this one? And it's really huge. They have many camping area. And yes, it's surrounded by the nature. If you are a kind of person who appreciate the nature, you should come here and enjoy. You guys, you have to come and enjoy. You see, to wake up or to sleep here around the nature, oh my god, you guys, you have to come and stay here for like a day or 2 days or even 1 week. So yeah guys, the park also offer accommodation service where you can camp, because there are some activities that can take whole day and you need to get there before a day so that you can participate in activity the next day when you are so fresh. Guys, the nature walk was really nice. I have enjoyed it, and I saw a lot of birds, a lot of trees, and beautiful view. Oh my god, it was really nice. Please come and try the nature walk from here. You will never get disappointed. I'm telling you. If you are kind of person who appreciates nature, you have to come and visit this Nyungwe National Park. Yeah, and I really thank you guys for staying with me. And yeah, so let me go and rest a little bit because I'm tired. So yeah guys, now it's time to give you some free tips and answering for you some few questions. So let me start with the tips. First things, when you're going to visit Nyungwe National Park, you must go there with raincoat because that is the tropical rainforest. At any time the weather might change and it's even cold. And the second thing you must go there with is the hiking shoes. In any activity you're going to do there, you will need the hiking shoes. Of course, you will hike even if can be a little bit. And the third thing you should go there with, you must go there with an extra clothes because there is in the forest, you might fall down and your clothes might get dirty. And the fourth thing you must go there with is the binocular because you are going to watch the birds that are far away, the monkeys, and so on. So there are so many things you must go there with. So those are the main things you should go there with. So let's get into the questions. The first question you might ask by yourself is what are the requirements? What are the requirements I need to know before visiting Nyungwe National Park in this COVID situation? You are required to bring a negative COVID test PCR you took within 72 hours before departure. Even if you are Rwandan or you are international traveler, you are required to bring this test. So the second question you might ask by yourself is how can I get there? So there are two main possibilities you can use. The first one is by road and the second one is by the air. So by the road you can use the public transportation. You can go to Nyabugogo bus station and you take the bus to Rusizi, and these can take between 5 to 6 hours because the public bus might take much time. And the second one you can use is by your private car. You can hire the private car, then it can take you there. It can take around 4 and 5 hours, and it can depend on your stopovers. And the last mean of transport, you can travel by air. For the people who wants to reach to Nyungwe National Park in a very short time, you can book your tickets with Rwanda. Rwanda offer domestic flight from Kigali to Kamembe National Airport. After that, reaching to Kamembe, you will need a car to come and pick you up to Nyungwe National Park. And also it can fly with Akagera Aviation helicopter. So yeah guys, that's for today, and I really thank you for staying with me all the day, and I highly recommend this place for the people who want to enjoy the nature. You guys, you don't have to stay in the city. In the city, nothing you can see there. You come here and enjoy this beautiful nature created by God. So yeah guys, and if you liked this video, please show me some love by clicking on the like and the leave a comment. Let me know how was it, and if you've been here, let me know in the comment, and if you want to go there, let me know in the comment, and if these tips will help you, please let me know. So yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe, and let's hit 1,000 subscribers, and they turn on bell notification in case I upload new video, you get notified. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.